So coming to the biodiversity associated with the rice-based field, you can see about 340 different species are found in a well-managed rice field. And these species range from algae to different birds, different fish, different insects, different amphibians. So this is a wonderful example of a healthy ecosystem. So a well-managed wet rice field is a healthy ecosystem where number of species depending each other and contributing in a significant way. Let me conclude this talk by identifying three major areas of effect and impacts. One of these three areas is about the conversion of crops from conventional rice to the other non-conventional crops like banana, arecanut, and even rubber these days in Wayanad district, and how this conversion of crop is affecting the society. If you look at the major impact of this conversion is the loss of food security, especially the poor people like tribal communities who are depending on the rice fields. Second part is the conversion of land assets, the conversion of land for alternate purposes like cultivating other crops, as well as the land mining and also the land filling. These days a lot of soil is being exported from the paddy fields to other areas, and sometimes the paddy field is filled in by for other uses, and how this land use change is affecting. The land use change is affecting the loss of biodiversity, the loss of fresh water. And thirdly, conversion of collective labor. Now what is happening from paddy field is converted from banana field. The labor from a collective labor, it is getting converted to only male labor. And this conversion directly affected women, especially women losing their job, and they are taking alternate employment in far away from the district. So these major three areas of changes: conversion of crops, conversion of land, and conversion of labor, that has got greater impacts on the ecology, on the food security, as well as the income security of the people. And before ending this talk, let me introduce our organization. So M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation, it is a registered trust. It is registered in 1988. So we have completed about 20 years of our service in the area of, largely in the area of sustainable agriculture and rural development. We work in major 6 program areas. One is coastal system research, then biodiversity, biotechnology, ecotechnology, information technology, and now the climate change as a cross-cutting area. And we have around 320 staff members in foundation, and we work in different regions of India, especially the hotspot regions of India. Our center, this Community Agro-Biodiversity Center, is in the Western Ghat region. This center has been established in 1997 with an objective of promoting community biodiversity management, particularly the sustainable utilization of community biodiversity. So we have been in this field with major 3 objectives. One is conservation of biodiversity, especially conservation of threatened plant genetic resources, including the rare, endemic and threatened plant species. Then the sustainable livelihood building and sustainable food security aspects. We are in this field quite effectively. And thirdly, the cross-cutting theme, education, communication, training part. This part we focus on how best the key stakeholders of this particular subject area, community biodiversity management, could be educated, trained and empowered to sustainably manage the resources. So this is what I wanted to tell you, and I thank you all. Unfortunately, I could not come over there and make this presentation live, but I am happy that I was able to do in this way. So let me thank Dr. Martina Padmanabhan, who was the sole person behind in this project. Her last 5 years of tireless effort has at last come true. This dream has come true, and I am sure we will be able to do full justice to this project. And the team is coming to India next week, and I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to Martina and her colleagues to India and in Wayanad, and I am sure we will be able to do a good piece of work, and that will benefit not only the science but the science and society. MSSRF is always trying to link science with the society. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you so much.